Borjan MEC constituency angkang upper of ke hai hithi repen ke choi hithi along long ekisong. EM Rup Singh teron pen khonsing rong PHS DCH along ko humridang. MSC Longki tibung aru dek pen ACR hem kim kirang ponjia phalong ek som sai ke deng. Kardom Mid Express along penili Villarban Kropi Narjek tha bir tang ton pen Borjan MEC constituency angkang upper ok ke hai hithi repen ke choi hithi along agriculture department pen ke deng pon surihini ra kre trok ben kre trok sening kana farman phaikuni ni phaihini ani ada por phai kre sia por pen upper ok ke hai hithi ruai hithi along MEC long ki timong ari deng pen long ek sompon Long Ekesom Pona Mai Long VDC Chairman Philip Teron, Ratsai Klembang Doloi Crow, Chandra Singh Inglang, Bida Inglang, Junior Engineer Mongol Taro Pencheng Loket Heke Dinga Tum Chitong Dun Pen, Long Ekesom Pona Mai Long RDP Dun, MEC Long Kiti Mung Ben Lam Theke Jai Pon Ke, Labang Soi Hiti Ke Do Pen Chojor Cholang Lapen, Kenang Soda Hormu Chunam Dun Long Po, Upper Ok Haya Long Dolong Kasilam Ponjia Phanta, MEC Timung Pen Lam Thi Chichak Tekang, Anparta, Labang Soarong Kapaching Tur Ponjia Phanta, Klem Pon Bom Loputa Lam Thi Jai Pon, Apora ting pen kipatang ponjia phan kam kilong abang phwa phan than pachini teka West Karbi Anglong District Hamren Arwada Phan Kapanong Pi Hamren Subdivisional Civil Hospital Ongtung Aningkan Dr. Nurse Kawe Penrat Kaning Ria Puthak EM Rup Singh Teron Pen HSDCH Management Committee Chairman Richardson Hanse Medical EM Khonsing Rong Pi Atum Phaikuri ni Phai Isi Arni Tili Isi Rajitim Aporpen Kahomridam EM Khonsing Rong PHSDCH along Kohomri Dam Hood, Akenang Sola Sona Mungtong Sekot Hamren Angkang, Dr. Rada Tumla Pen Hamren Mahila Samite to Penchelangsi, EM Rong P Arudeng Pinpur Alo Pipa Jirdun, Pinpur Alo along Jasemet HSDCH Amen Pen Doctor, Nurse Pen Kaprek Medical Staff Atumalong, Akaprek Hospital along Ke Claim Atumapan, Prabjin Pen Ban Tuet Nang Ji Lapen, Gynecologist, Child Specialist, Medicine Specialist, ENT, MS, Dentist, Orthopedic Eye Specialist Mesana Doctor Prabjin Pen Ingvaisi Nang Toy Nang Jipusi Jongpon
Fu Ekola Hamren Civil Hospital Long Mang di Langpon Iglonon di da asona mung claim neng du sitame jasemet pet pen da kara da tum jati jan ke suku chelang along abar cycle long ke joy kg fan jasemet pen eson sonelam do
Aduntu Mesan X-ray machine lapen pathology laboratory ki piponjia phanta ke jong padopon hospital a thengno towar kaheno kaselam ponjia phan an par da ongtung ason kenang sot the wai salina poroteng pen ki piponjia phanta pinpur alolong jongdun jongsi akinang sot doctor nurse an par da rehinga me towar ki jona lang matichong chiklo ambong pithek the pulote kachesong sai deng ponang kokta hai pusi pritom rong pipen area sanghal tum pinpur alolong jongdun Phaikuni ni phaihini arni ada por phai kep por malom Bogajan Development Block pen kedeng MSDP surihini recreate truck pen crate truck sening kanabha Phaikuni hini arni Borjan MEC constituency angkang along crate truck ACR hem kimi kim kirang ponjia phan MEC long kitimong arideng pen long ekesong Labang so sai long Bogajan Development Block Junior Engineer Mongol Taro Junior Engineer Hemson Terang laban Bogajan Block Coordinator Harmon Ingtiatum Chirap Chetodun MSDP asai ki claim ke pangcheng ponjia phan long ek ke sompon bomahud VDC Chairman Philip Teron Doloi Crow Bida Inglang Chandra Inglang Pencheng Loket Heke Dingatum Chetong Dun Pen RDP Dun ada porphai cap apor pen upper Hatoka LP School Pencheng Ponsi Puthor Dilaijan LP School upper HDP LP School Pencheng lo akapre kapre ka school along long ek isom pangcheng pon nan malam sopor pandhin apartment bir tamo inton paniksina Admission is open for the session of 2017 and 2018 at Asian Kids Tifu Rongkhalang. Forms are available. Parents and guardians are requesting to collect it from the Office of Asian Kids. All kinds of facilities like smart class, computer periods, playground, learning accessories with celebrations of various festivals to aware children, transfer provision, merit scholarship, annual sports, etc. So hurry up. Seats limitations 20 each. date of admission for new students on 15th of December 2017. Last date of form submission is 14th of December 2017. For more details, contact at 8638727195.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items. Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajang tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji. Dihenamo Piputhot Birtalong Wangtulo. Majijong ni Pai ECR ni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Horan Singh B. Penjab Ponsi, EM Pradip Rongpi, MSc Ritesh Inghi, Secretary Nirola Pangchupi, State Officer Diori Ronghang, Land and Revenue Deputy Secretary Birsing Ingti, Revenue Staff, PWD Staff, Contractor Lapen Prekjam Kitheke Dingatum Penchelangsi, Difu Manja Tawar Pi Along Pentaralang so Karbi Risunim so Rongaja Klam Along An, Kachelenga Tawar Kaselampon Bomalong Kahumridam. Kahumridam ahutawar kasalam bom along longle pegdun tekte pu arat atum pen chatongsi aron ateng pen tawar kasalam along longle ke pegdun edji aphan kahumridam abitunga tum pen pachini tekang tawar pi pen kahelo RVR eta foot thom kebra ke thom an PWD along le pun pon lapen lake pun pon tang along le angkang along kedo an ason kedo ahem school office boundary wall lapen akaprek ahem anta penapen amat ke pripon edjia phanta kahomridam abitunga tumpen contractor atuma phan pachini tekang kumadne ahem along le jongsi ke choklim aron ateng pen akele tower kasalam along dunchui pulote aron ateng pen compensation aron thik pipo puta than tekang Trokebra Kethom National School Games, Surihini Rakret Roxy Lapen Trainer Kebaning Kana Parman, Under 17 Lapen 19 Girls Wushu Competition, Matijong Nipai Hini Lapen Pli Arni Ani Thoma Baha, Pogeshwari Pukonani, Indoor Stadium, Dispur Guwahati Rong Spialong Kachipati Pangcheng Pon Bomloposi Kat New Salong Birtanangli. Sports and Youth Welfare Department, Government of Assam Atupen Kachipatir Piponalong, School Games Federation of India Tumakera Pen, Bhogeshwari Phukanani, Indoor Stadium, Dispur Guwahati Rongsupi Along, Trokebra Kethom Angdeng, National School Games, Surihini Rakret Roxy Lapen Trainer Kep Aninkana Baha, Under 17 Lapen 19 Girls Wushu Kachipate Padopon Bomlo, Labangso Kachipate Along, India Adang Pipen Wushu Kapatu Along, Anong Kachitangklong State Atum Kachipate Along Klamalong Patupon Bomlo. Mid Express abir tabang ilap masih kang ton paniklo live om News Channel 2 Kurwang 2